Can't you see what we're about?
Guys, welcome back to the family channel and the crew. If you are watching for the first time, welcome. I thank you guys for stopping in. If y'all want to do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell as y'all are coming in. Look, we got some new and different things that's going to be happening, collaborations on this channel that will be highlighting just new things, new fashion. I'm incorporating my daughters and just showing how you can have the same kind of outfits but make it an adult for a 43-year-old, or you can still jazz it up and still make it young and fashionable for 20, 23, or 25-year-olds, okay? So you guys got a few little clips at the very first part of the video. Shapermint many a times. I appreciate them so much. I thank them for sponsoring today's video. When they first reached out to me, again, of course y'all know I was excited. If y'all know me, y'all know I love getting shapewear. I just love getting shapewear, okay? So this month it was Shapermint Halloween edition, and it is Shapermint treat or treat. No tricks, only treats. So when I got the box, I wanted to see what was going to be in it. But before I show y'all the box, first I got my regular package that I get every time I do a video with them. And so I had got my 4 pieces, the scoop neck cami, the high-waisted shaping leggings, the tear-proof shaping tights, and the daily comfort wire-free shaper bra. The bra is by True Kind. The rest of the outfits is by Impetua. And I got all of them in a 2XL. I really want them in white, and I'm hoping next time I'll be able to get them in white. I know a lot of people say not to wear like white after Labor Day, but yeah, we're breaking all the rules, period, okay? So when I got my Halloween Shapermint box, I was like, okay, what can be in here? They had their cute bunny ears and the tail, the bunny tail. And I wanted to do a bunny look, but it didn't fit over my hair or my daughter's hair. So I will be giving that to my niece, Alisha. But with Alisha's, she got the same 4 things. All of hers is in a 2XL as well. My height is 5'6". I've been saying 5'5½", but I'm almost 5'6". So I'm going to say 5'6", 237 pounds. My daughter, Alisha, is 5'5½", and she is right at like 190. But her build is different than mine. So I want to be able to show and share with you guys that a 43-year-old woman that is over 200, and my shape is completely different from my 20-year-old that's under, well, a little bit under 200, and she's an inch or so, you know, shorter than I am. That we can wear the same pieces. It look completely different on us. You can style them however. So it works for everyone, okay? It really does work for everyone, you guys. And I will leave all of the Shapermint links in the description, link in the description box, as well as discount codes, their website, everything that you would need, all of the information you would need. It is going to be in the description box. I'm also linking my daughter's Instagram to it, and my other 2 or 3 Shapermint reviews that I did, if you want to see the difference from then to now. Their card reads, "Hop to it. You'll be hopping around Halloween in style and comfort. We gathered our best sellers paired with Halloween essentials to get you through the season. Shapermint." And like I said, I really hate that I cannot fit the bunny ears, but they will go to use. They will go to really, really good use. As you guys see, I did do a Halloween theme, and it was so fun. So we're going to go ahead on and jump into it. Alright, y'all, my very first outfit that I am sharing with you guys, I am wearing their tear-proof stockings. And I've told you guys before that they are tear-proof. Let me tell y'all see these boots I have on? I was getting them out of my container. It's one of those plastic containers you can buy from the stores. And I went to close the top on it, and I did not have the shoes on at the time, and my foot stepped through it, and they did not rip. And like I said, I had the tights on. And normally regular pantyhose, they would have ripped. These did not. So when I tell y'all they are tear-proof, they are tear-proof. Now my daughter Alisha, she was dressed in for Halloween as the bride of Chucky, and she does have on the nude tear-proof stockings that they have. She ordered them separately because when I was ordering my box, they did not have them in nude at the time in the 2X. But she got the same exact ones, they're just in nude because she is a lighter complexion. She said they fit her well, they definitely cinched her in, and she really had a good time doing this, and I did as well.
You never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Alright you guys, the second location that I am at is our historical center in my city. And for this outfit, I am wearing the wireless, and this is their Shaper bra. When I tell y'all this thing is comfortable, it is underrated. It is comfortable. And then I have they like the body shaping high-waisted leggings, and these things cinch you in. I did have underwear on, just regular black underwear. You can't see through them, but because I was going to be outdoors, I didn't want to take the chance of somebody seeing me in this direct sunlight. So I do have on just regular underwear underneath. You guys know every time you film, somebody is going to pass, especially when you are on location sites. You can't help it. So hey, this is just real life. So we're going to go with the flow. I did have my camera rolling while Alisha was taking pictures. That's why you are seeing a little bit of video and a little bit of pictures, y'all. It was so funny because that guy actually had stopped and tried to holler, so I had to edit that out of the video. And then you're going to see another guy pass right after. So I'm like, are they talking to each other? Because they picking up on the same street. But it was really comfortable. I did switch out my boots from what I initially had on in the last video. The cop was mad cool, y'all. He was mad cool. But I did switch out boots. I just have on regular, like tennis shoe style boots, just because I know we was going to be doing a lot of walking. But everything else is still the same. All right, y'all, this is our final location, and we was back on one of our local roads. It's like a little fishing hole on one side. It's a abandoned, it's like an old track. It comes like within, well, it is near our industrial area. That's where most people bring their kids to learn to drive. But the outfit that I am wearing, I just have on some white jeans paired with some high heel boots. And y'all gonna see me stumbling because they got holes in this track. I was trying not to fall down. But the actual top that I'm wearing is the scoop neck cami. It's in the 2XL. Everything is in black. And Alisha has on those black tights. Not the pantyhose, but the actual body shaping tights. that I had on in a previous clip. She has her black ones on now with the same scoop neck cami, and she has on her wireless bra. So you're gonna see clips from both of those. And y'all gonna see my little one that's gonna be walking in the back. He is kind of like a prop for one of Alisha's scenes. He had came home from school at this point and he wanted to go. So it was fun for him. He got to actually see how we do what we do, and that it's a real job. Okay, y'all, they really was having a whole lot of fun. But again, y'all can see that we both have on the same exact scoop neck cami with the wireless bra. And like I said, Alisha does have one of those black leggings. And we was matching. You guys can see we both had on the red, white, and black. And it just worked. You know, that whole thing just works. Like I said, this is a Halloween theme. And it just all shows you that you can make any outfit fun. No matter what it is, just make it fun, make it yours, make it work. Hope you all enjoy the video, like our pictures, and like I said, we just wanted to do something different for you guys. Please make sure y'all go over and support them. Make sure you let them know that we sent you guys. If y'all have ordered something from there, and I know before a lot of you ladies told me that y'all have been with Shapermint for a while. A lot of people that found my channel over the last 3 months have tried them and they like them. And I know a few people said that they are going to try them over the holidays. So let me know if you have, or if you still are planning on it. Make sure you use my discount code. And they do have more than these items that I've showed. But make sure y'all get these camis. Make sure y'all get the leggings. Make sure y'all get the tights. And if y'all really want a good, comfortable bra, make sure y'all get the bra. But they have a lot, because they have a lot more other bras and stuff on their site. They have panties. They have everything. So y'all just go check them out. Let them know I sent y'all. And just get you something, okay? And let me know what y'all purchase, okay? And I'll see you guys.
And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about